Hey guys, Miss Hendry here. I'm going to read you a story called The Way Home in the Night. On our way home, we see the restaurant and bookshop closing for the night. My mother carries me through the quiet streets. Most of our neighbors are already home. I can see their lights in the windows. I hear a phone ring. Who is calling? It smells like pie. A light flickers. Maybe someone is watching TV, and it sounds like there is a big party next door. And I look in a window and see someone saying goodbye. When we are almost home, my father joins us. Soon he will tuck me into bed. Snug under my covers, I think about the way home. Are the party guests saying good night? Is the person on the phone getting ready for bed? Maybe the cook from the restaurant is taking a bath, and the bookseller is reading on the couch. Is the pie ready to be shared? Have all the lights turned off for the night? As I fall asleep, I hear footsteps in the street. I wonder if she's going to the station. Will she take the last train home? Some nights are ordinary and other nights are special. But every night we all go home to bed. Good night. That was sweet. That makes Miss Hendry ready for a nap. How about you guys? Bye, guys.